What's going on everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Anker 647 charging station. My name's Matt Powell and we'll also be unboxing additional Anker products later on in the video, so stay tuned. And also make sure to hit that sub button to keep up with the latest content. So the first thing we got is the Anker 647 charging station. This is a 10-in-1 power strip that outputs 100 watts for high speed charging. You can purchase this on Amazon for $69.99 with the included coupon. Links for everything shown today will be in the description down below. This charging system is advertised for power delivery for conference rooms, but I'll be using it as a desktop accessory instead. The only things you get in the box are this user manual and the power strip itself. At a quick glance at this, you could probably tell why this charging station is pretty awesome. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, just wait until you see it. I don't think I've seen this type of feature in other products. Let me know if you have. But anyways, here's the power strip. This is definitely not your ordinary power strip. And right off the bat, you can tell why it's advertised for conference rooms. Right over here, you get a USB-C and a USB-A port. And on each side, you get 3 AC outlets. But unfortunately, this isn't a spot to charge your phone wirelessly. What a missed opportunity. But don't worry, check this out. This is what separates it from all the other power strips. It comes with 2 built-in retractable USB-C cables. Each cable can extend up to 3 feet, while the extension cord goes up to 5 feet. And finally, if we take a look at the bottom, you get a switch to turn it on or off. I'll probably be using this for this here unboxing station. And that just leaves one more thing. I'm sorry guys, that was probably the least satisfying peel I've ever heard. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Would you guys cop this? Next up for today's unboxing is this Anker USB-C hub. Its full name is the Anker PowerExpand 6-in-1 USB-C PD Ethernet hub. What a mouthful. So the main reason why I bought this is for the Ethernet port. Since the new MacBook Pros don't really have one, I had to get one. So in this box you get what looks like a case. Interesting. I never thought I needed a case for a dongle, but sure, why not I guess. It's a nice gesture, but I'll probably just put this in like a tech pouch or something. And also you get this welcome guide. This hub goes for $31.99. On this side you get 2 USB 3.0 ports capable of transferring a 5 gig file in just 12 seconds. Here's the 1 gigabit per second Ethernet port. And on this side you get 3 ports. One is an HDMI port that allows you to connect an external display for resolutions up to 4K at 30 frames per second. A USB-C port for 5 gigabits per second transfer speeds. And a 65 watt PD input port for pass-through charging. This would output 53 watts to your laptop. And for our final item, we're unboxing the Anker 564 USB-C docking station. This dock was especially made for the MacBook. Right here shows you can connect up to 3 monitors at 4K 60 frames per second. Currently I use the HyperDrive USB-C dock that has 2 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort, just like this new Anker product. But the issue with this is I can't have one cable connected to my laptop when 3 external displays are connected to the dock. Just 1 out of the 3 external displays would be shown on the laptop since they're all connected through 1 cable. And obviously this is annoying because as you can see here, there's so much clutter, so many cables going everywhere. And that's because I needed to get multiple USB-C hubs and connect it to the ports on the laptop for each external monitor I wanted to use. Yeah, but f all that. Now we got this wonderful dock that just needs to connect through 1 cable and works perfectly. This has just been a huge issue with Apple only allowing 1 external display per port on the MacBook. Thankfully Anker came in clutch. Now let's unbox this and see what we're working with. Okay, this is lighter than I expected. It still feels premium though. I love how Anker decided to go with the space gray to match with the MacBook Pros. Very nice. So starting from the left you get 2 USB 2.0 ports that can be used for your peripherals like your mouse and keyboard. Next you got a USB 3.2 Gen 1. You get 5 gigabits per second and 7.5 watts. Then you get a USB 3.2 Gen 1 PD with 30 watts and 5 gigabits per second as well. Followed by a headphone jack and a power button.
Hey you, hit that sub button.
Starting from the left again, you get the port that connects to your laptop that has 100 watts of maximum charging, followed by 2 HDMI 2.0 and a display 1.2 port that goes up to 4K at 60 Hz. And then finally, you get the Ethernet port for 1 gigabit per second and a DC in at 180 watts. Next thing we see is the paperwork. You get the quick start guide and a user manual. Okay, what else? This is probably the power brick. There we go. And finally we got the power cable, and then the USB-C cable. This 10-in-1 MacBook dock really has everything you would need at a docking station. But because of that, it's got a hefty price. It comes in at $300. I ended up buying this on Prime Day, which made it $200, but right now you can get it on Amazon for $255. This is definitely something to look into. So yeah, those are my latest Anker purchases. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to like, sub, and hit that noti bell to know when I upload. Peace.